Deciding between the two Peak Design 45-liter backpacks, the new outdoor backpack, or its trusted travel backpack? Let's see what their major differences are and which one is best for you. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba. Welcome to my channel. Please consider subscribing if you like useful tech for the family like me. In today's video, let's check out the major differences between Peak Design's new outdoor backpack 45-liter and its old faithful travel backpack 45-liter. See at the end which one is best for whom. Starting with their design. The outdoor backpack has a rugged, more complicated look while the travel backpack looks sleek and simpler. They have similar dimensions, about 22 inches tall. The outdoor backpack is about an inch narrower, although it's hard to tell. It has a roll top, so it can extend taller while the travel backpack can expand in its depth. More on these expansion options later. The travel backpack is about 4.5 pounds. Even with the built-in metal frame, the outdoor backpack is actually lighter at a bit less than 4 pounds. The outdoor backpack uses TerraShell 210 riptop nylon. The front face all the way down to the bottom is TPU coated, so it's a bit thicker and glossier. Make it more durable for outdoors. There are two sizes, a smaller 25-liter and this one 45 liters. 3 colors, cloud, eclipse, and this one black. The travel backpack uses 400D recycled nylon with a DWR coating, waterproof and tough, plus a beefy 900D bottom for extra durability. There are also two sizes, a smaller 30-liter and this one 45 liters. Also comes in 3 colors, sage, coyote with a different X-Pack material, and this black one. The travel backpack has a quick access pocket on the top for small items such as keys and glasses. A big front opening with close and mesh pockets on the backside and on the divider. Furthermore, the divider pockets can be unzipped on the other side to get access to the main compartment. And that's not all. There are big side zipper openings for side access of the main compartment as well. Very versatile design. On the outdoor backpack, there are 2 zipper side pockets in the front. On the top, there's the new Ultra Cinch closure system. Just a quick pull on this loop to open. There's a big center pocket. Unroll the top, you get more storage and access into the main compartment. There are 2 mesh pockets on each side of the outdoor backpack. One large for water bottle or tripod, one small for snacks or smaller items. No side handles though. Each side of the travel backpack has a large pocket and this little zippered pocket nicely integrated on the side. Also, there is a good handle on each side. Another difference is the anchor points for straps. The travel backpack has them all over the place. 2 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 hidden under this bottom flap. Then around the sides, 2 on the top, 2 on the sides, and in the back, 2 over here, and 2 more on the bottom of the backpack. The outdoor backpack though takes this to a different level, with core rails all around the backpack, both in the front and in the back for attachments everywhere. One of the biggest differences is in the carrying system. The straps on the travel backpack are padded and comfortable. There's a thick handle on the top, a good chest strap with various slots to adjust its height, a luggage pass-through, and under these magnetic flaps, an integrated hip belt. What's cool is the shoulder straps can also be tucked away inside these flaps, held down by magnets. The outdoor backpack has a much more robust carrying system. The straps are wider and thicker with convenient mesh pockets. You can see how much wider and thicker these are than those on the travel backpack. In addition, there are 4 different height levels and low lifters to get a better fit and comfort for different body types. There are 2 adjustable shoulder straps, The back also has much thicker padding with a venting strip down in the middle. There's also a hip belt and it's removable. It's much wider and thicker than the one on the travel backpack. No luggage pass-through though. And there's a handle on the top, but it's a much thinner one. Overall, the carrying system on the outdoor backpack is more adjustable and comfortable for carrying heavier loads. Both backpacks have big back access openings. The one on the travel backpack opens all the way around, so it's bigger. The laptop pocket on the travel backpack is taller and much better padded. Not much padding on the one in the outdoor backpack, but it's still suspended from the bottom of the backpack for good protection. And they're both big enough to fit my 16-inch MacBook Pro. With this water tube pass-through on the outdoor backpack, it could also work as a pouch for a water bladder. Inside the main compartment, both backpacks have anchor points for Peak Design's camera cubes. Both can fit up to a large camera cube. Here's the travel backpack with the medium camera cube. Still a lot more room for other items like packing cubes and the tech pouch. I'll put links to my videos on the camera cube and the tech pouch below in the description if you'd like more details on them. Here's the medium camera cube in the outdoor backpack. Still a lot of room for other packing cubes and the tech pouch. Especially if this roll top is extended. Speaking of the roll top, the ways these backpacks expand are different. When the backpacks are empty, the outdoor backpack is flat, while the travel backpack keeps its shape. The outdoor backpack is 34.5 liters with the roll top down, and 45 liters with the roll top up. The travel backpack starts at 30 liter compressed with these two buttons on the top. When unbuttoned, it goes up to 35 liters. It can be further expanded to 45 liters by unzipping these two zippers on the side. There's also a small price difference. The travel backpack 45 liter is $299.95 US. The outdoor backpack 45 liter is $30 more at $329.95. I'll have links to both in the description below. While both share the same Peak Design DNA of smart design with great features and premium build quality, they're created with distinct purposes in mind. If you're traveling between airports, hotels, and city streets, I think the travel backpack works much better. However, if it's trails and campsites mostly, I think the outdoor backpack is it. Have you used either or both of these backpacks? What do you like and dislike about them? Share with us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. It helped me out a lot. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and check out this video next. I'll see you in that next one. Until then, God bless and remember to cherish each moment.